Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. For today's video guys, I'm starting my day by bringing our eco bag, the one of my father usually uses to buy ice. But today guys, it's coming with me as we head out on a little trip. So we rode guys, no? Magkita mo guys na nakita na ko ang isa ako ang among iring guys nga naa siya dito guys nagstambay so akong kuan guys gi-take dako siya sa video. So dra guys no where so we rode no our motor cab to fetch my brother. So along the way guys, I also plan to buy a few things. My lola once told me she likes lemon and kadisnon na saging. So I made sure to get those for her. So inana gyud guys no nga dapat gyud guys nga kahibalo gyud ka nga kanang kahibalo gyud ka sa imong kagalingon kung unsa ang kuan no kanang ganahan no sa imong loved ones no sa ing ganahan niya imong kuan kung mahimo ihatag nimo no kay nana man na siya guys kung nana man na, it is something like an effort guys because naay kuanan ana man na siya guys never underestimate the impact of your efforts no because even the smallest good you do can make a big difference in someone's life. So inana guys no so I made sure no nga kuan tong ganahan sa akong lula. So my mom also gave me some money to buy siomai, something I was really excited about. No, as we are traveling, the view was just so relaxing and satisfying. The air felt cool against my skin. The weather was perfect and the sky was so clear and beautiful. So it really made no the ride enjoyable, guys. No, so that guys, when we arrived, there were so many students outside. It was around 12 noon. So they were probably on their lunch break. Then finally, we saw my brother, no, my best friends. I also, no, nagpalit ko og siomai guys kay mo man ang tugon sa ako ang mama guys and I also saw Ate Maricel someone like we treat like family guys. She was so kind and even gave us free shumai. I'm really thankful for her kindness. I also bought no a sandwich guys that I highly recommend. It was one of my favorite snacks back when I was in high school and senior high school. So dira guys, mo na ang ako ang ginabalik-balik nga di ba siyang ginibalik-balik basta kay mo gyud na akong gipalit sa high school pag guys kanang sandwich guys putangan og bihon no mo akong sing paliton guys kay ganahan ko guys mabusog ko mo ako ang ma-recommend ako sa inyo guys no naalang ni Ate Maricel guys so after that no we headed home no and passed by Ate Helen's sari-sari store. So diri guys makita gyud nimo ang mga sari-sari store ni Ate Helen. Naa diri ang mga panakot, mga different kinds of vegetables. Naa diri ang mga carrots og uban pa nga mga vegetables guys nga mabaligya no nga gibaligya ni Ate Helen no Ate Helen sari-sari store. So where we bought lemon and kadisnon saging, then we visited no guys ni Manding no because my papa wanted to see her no. I'm not sure no what they talk about but it seemed important. So di ta man alam guys. So pugo kay balon unsa lang gi-istoryahan guys but it seemed important guys. So before ending the trip, we bought ice and tang juice. So nagpalit ko tang nga juice guys kay kanang my favorite is the grape flavor. So nagpalit ko tang guys kay aron pang pawala sa kainit guys kay kung magkutaw ko juice naapoy kuan bitaw flavor na lami kayo guys kay aron parisan din og bugnaw nga juice ana. So that's it for today's vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. So dira guys, padong nami mo kuha na guys. Mubaking na si Papa dira guys.